Hi, this is Merlin. Today I'm going to talk about what I learned today. So as you guys know, sorry, hold on. Not this, not this. No, not this. No, yeah, this is pretty fine. As you guys know, I'm just making my framework, I I configured Rollup like Toast Company, like in the slash library. They're using their custom Rollup. So and putting output directory on package.json, and when it runs rollup, you don't need to specify the output directory on the rollup. So example, so this will be like this. Yeah, you can just not this. So example, you can just putting it like this, because this will read this output directory. So this will be most convenient. But the thing is that when someone uh, when someone trying to read this code at the first time, and they will not understand what is this output means. So I was like, why don't I put slin on this packet.json of it? So example, if I delete it, never mind. So this won't work because this is in the test directory. So let's see other, yeah. So the purpose has to be here. So if I put the output metadata, and there should be, or let's specify purpose first, because the reason why I set the purpose is I just wanna make, I just want to set my rules of what is this node CSS, node CSS, and also I should put the output field, because based on output field, the loader will read this packet.json and make it into their own. So example, as you see, I put output metadata here, and if you look at my plugin, this will read the packet.json and output and enter point. And so as you guys know, in the normal packet.json, general packet.json, there's no output, their output property. So I configure the type of it. So propose node.cjs, node ESM, browser ESM, and output should be like this. Yeah, so that would be really great. Yeah, that is it. So I think I have to write the to do Merlin to do based on the purpose, need to bundle it. I need to bundle it. Need to bundle it based on the purpose, because if you look at the rollup, my configure file, it's just bundling unnecessary thing. Example, CJS ESM. So you don't. My question is, if you're like making making a library for the browser, like UI, like React hook library, you don't have to make a into CommonJS thing. So why don't I specify the ESM and CommonJS purpose on the package.json, and the Lolo plugin just read this and make it into the based on the purpose what I rather really need. So that would be really nice, but I didn't make it. And moreover, I thought making a plugin is easy, and it was not. It's easy, but I didn't think there. The thing is that I think I thought there's no necessary to bundle the plugin, bundle the ESM or CJS, and I realized that I have to bundle it because this is TypeScript. So CJS cannot understand the module-based TypeScript, so I have to bundle it into ESM and CJS. So I have to use Lolop to make the Lolop plugin, and that is kind of I was like, isn't it kind of over engineering, something like that? Yeah, I think that is kind of over engineering. Yeah. Also, I have to put the type of to do to do need to extends the Lolop, the real Lolop extensions. Also like that. So, and it was really pretty amazing. I wrote the test code, and it was fascinating thing. And this is my first time to, not first time. I really don't have much skills of writing test code, so but I think there's necessary to write a test code of this package. So I wrote it, and I think why we need test code, because reading this test code could understand how it works. Example, just reading it makes it understandable. Get CJS endpoint, so get the enter point, and get, because CJS is, because you have to get the CJS enter point. So CJS is enter point means that there's require, and based on the key require, this is the entry point of the CJS. But so we need to make the recursion. We need to, not recursion. We have to make a for loop of this export object, and get the directory of it, entry point of it. So this is how it works. So making a test code was really fascinating. It was not that hard, and it was really fascinating. Yeah. And I think I had to wait, hold on. Git add git commit that add commit that add feed add test code of the Lolop plugin. That would be really nice. And also it's just, I don't know. And I really want to, and also what I'm trying to do next is specifying. I have to make this Lolop plugin into some kind of reusable. What reusable is ESM or CJS. I think I have to bundle it just ESM or CJS. And next, and I think the next thing I have to do is I have to make this type stronger, make it like easy to read. Like I have to make this, I have to just handle this to do. After that, I have to write this test code if it is really bundles. Right, I think I have to write the test code of the how it bundles it bundles nicely or not. And next, I just finished the SLN config, right? So after that, I think I had to handle the peer dependency, because I really don't have understanding of peer dependency. What I need understand peer dependency is just like if there's a library that commonly used is I think the my understanding of peer dependency is example, there's a library of React hook, and there's a library of React UI, and this library should use same React library, and I think there is a peer dependency. But the thing is that installing the library is kind of easy. Yeah, it's really easy. But why don't I why don't I make the manifest file and get the peer dependency, get the dependency of the whole library, and examine there if there's like common library, and check if the version is same or they are peer dependency. If it's not, put the ASLint, make ASLint to read this Minecraft file and put the error of it. That would be really nice. So that's my kind of imagination of how to force people to do this. What I because what I already see of what I already think of this service or library is not just clean code. So clean code is part of how to make it. I forgot the word. Huh? Wait, hold on. The English is not okay. So make it maintenance. Like, so my really what I think of like service or other software application is to make it maintain. There should be maintenance of it. There should be maintenance. Example, if I'm making some kind of big application, and after launching it, you have to maintain as really you have to maintain and make it development. And also library thing is really same. You really have to maintain and see the error runs, because I believe that software application is not 100% perfect. There should be error, there should be mismatch, and there should be like a lot of things that software developer was not able to figure out. So I think so there's a potential error, and to solve this potential error, I think I should force developers to follow the rules of it. And what I mean is like put the ASLint of the the error, because example, I install a React peer dependency React, and if I install React but version like 19, but other library using a version 18, so there could be some kind of mismatch or error. So why don't I put the ASLint error of that? So that would be really nice. So yeah. Oh, so this is just kind of my imagination of it. I don't know if it's gonna be really nice or not. So yeah. So tomorrow my next step is making rollup into ESM or CJS, and after that write a test code of it is really working on that, and then after finish to write the test code, solve the to do thing. After solving a to do thing, and after that put publish the pull request and merge it and show it to other people what I really did. So that would be really nice. So yeah, this is it. So see you next time. Bye bye.